Let us take you through the step-by-step guide to installing the Mira Coda Pro mixer shower. Start by establishing the hot and cold supplies. Hot should be left and cold right. Now use the template to set the distance of the pipe centers. Then check the pipes are level, screw the guide in place and finish the wall. After finishing the wall surface with tiles or a wall panel, cut the recessed pipe length to 25 mm. Combine the olives and connectors to the wall bracket. Do not over-tighten more than finger tight. Mark fixing holes with the wall bracket as a guide. Make sure the fixing holes are angled so that there are no supply pipes behind. Drill the fixing holes and install the wall plugs. Then screw the brackets on using the screws provided. Tighten the connectors using 2 spanners. Now flush the supplies thoroughly before connecting the shower unit. Next, install the concealing plates. Making sure the sealing washer filters are in each inlet, attach the bar valve to the connectors. The hose outlet should be at the bottom. Tighten the unit with a spanner. For new installations, fix the fixing centers at 510 mm and drill fixing holes using the screws and wall plugs provided. Screw the mounting bracket into the wall. Assemble the fittings and slot them into the mounting brackets. Fix the slide bar at both ends with a hex screw supplied. Attach the hose, making sure that the rubber washers are in place at both ends. Now your Mira Coda Pro is ready for use.